Hey guys, it's your minded Jess here back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to port forward your Unturned server. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is type in, you're going to need to type in command prompt into your search bar. Then what you'll need to do is type in ipconfig. Now you should see something that says IPv4 address. Now what you want to do with that is copy it and then just type it into your web browser. That should take you to your router page. If it doesn't, you'll need to Google your router and then default router site or default router domain, something like that, and it should come up with it. Then what you need to do is go to security and then services. Now this might be called ports on yours, it might be called port forwarding, but for me it's called services. Then I'm going to click add service. I'm going to call it Unturned. TCP and UDP, start port 27015, finish port 27015. And we're going to apply that. Now if your service was called like port forwarding or ports, that might be you finished, but for me that doesn't include the firewall. So I'm gonna have to go to inbound services because we're wanting connections coming in, and we're gonna click add, and we're gonna go down to the port we just created, Unturned, and we're gonna go allow always. Now what we need to do is copy in our IP from earlier, so just the one that you see up the top, if that's the one you used. If that's not the one used to connect your browser, you need to use the one you found in the IP config, and then we're going to apply. So that's absolutely everything there for the router. Now the last thing we need to do is in the firewall. So if you don't know how to get here, you just type in firewall. You go to advanced settings, and then you go to inbound rules, and then we click new rule, go to port, TCP specific port 27015, allow this connection, all of these, and then we're just going to call it Unturned TCP. Then we're going to go new rule, port again, UDP 27015, next, allow, yes, Unturned UDP. And then that's everything up and running for you. If you want your friend to join the server, all you need to do is give them the IPv4 address in your IP config, and then they're able to join your server. So guys, if this video helped you out, leave a like, a subscribe would be much appreciated. I only have like 4% of the people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so I'm trying to get that ratio up. And then if you want to help out the channel even more, I do have memberships on my channel now. There is a link in the description, or you can click that big join button. At the moment I want to thank my YouTube member Big T Fishbone. He's been really great help for the channel, and he's really helping me and inspiring me to make more videos. But anyway guys, for now, I'll see you soon.